Cost sheet. What is cost sheet? Cost sheet means we have to find the cost of production of a product. So there are different elements of cost sheet available, that is material, labor and overheads. So material, labor, overheads are the principal component of cost sheet. So cost sheet means combination of cost of products is a combination of material, labor and overhead. Overhead means other than direct cost. All the indirect expenses, indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expense comes under overhead. Right. We will see one by one how the cost sheet to be formed. Right. First, cost sheet format. So direct material consumed. So direct material consumed is nothing but opening raw material, RM means raw material, plus purchase of raw material, plus carriage inward. We have to bring the material to production, no? Carriage inward, minus closing stock of raw material, minus sale of scrap of raw material, normal loss. What is sale of scrap of raw material? Suppose to bring the material to the production, so meantime if there is any scrap arises, it can be sold in the market. So it should be normal loss. So that revenue should be adjusted with the cost. So therefore if it is a normal loss, sale of scrap of raw material is a revenue, should be subtracted from the cost. Right. So this is direct material consumed. Right. Next, add direct labor or direct employee cost or direct wages. So add direct labor. Direct labor paid plus outstanding minus prepaid. So paid plus outstanding minus prepaid. Paid expenses plus outstanding expenses minus prepaid, you set at net to be shown in the direct labor. So add direct expenses. Example for direct expenses: royalty paid on production and the hiring charges of machine. These are direct expenses. Similarly, direct expenses also paid plus outstanding minus prepaid. Right. If you just add all the three, direct material consumed, direct labor and direct expenses, you will be getting prime cost. Prime cost, one more name, it is called direct cost. One more name is called direct cost. Prime cost or direct cost. Right. After prime cost, direct cost, so you have to add factory related expenses. That is called factory overheads. Overheads nothing but aggregate of indirect material, indirect labor and net expenses. So whatever the expenses in factory, it is called factory overheads. Or one more name, work overhead. So add factory overheads. Example, depreciation on machinery, factory labor expenses, factory wages, factory power, factory lighting. So factory supervisor salary, whatever be the expenses in the factory, that is comes under factory overheads. So after prime cost, if we just add factory overheads, you will be getting gross factory cost or gross work cost. One more name, or gross work cost. So to this you just add opening work in process, WIP. Opening work in process you have to add less closing work in process. So the answer, net factory cost. Work under process is called work in process. Opening and closing to be adjusted. You will be getting net factory cost or net to work cost So to this you have to add quality control cost. Normally in production, we have a quality control department. So those costs to be added to this. Similarly, there is a research and development cost, R&D cost, research and development cost to be added. Similarly, anything administrative overhead related to production, admin overhead related to production to be added, minus is there any scrap arises in the factory. If it is sold, there is a revenue to be generated, or is there any credit available. So those items to be subtracted. It's a revenue or credit to be subtracted. It is called credit for recoveries bar scrap. So in production, there is scrap arises, we can make a sale, there is a revenue, it is adjusted to the cost. So the answer to this, we can add primary packing. We can add primary pack. There are two types of packing. One is called primary packing and secondary packing. Primary packing is related to cost of production. Secondary packing related to selling and distribution overheads. So primary packing. So primary packing, if you just add, the result is called cost of production. Cost of production. So cost of production. To the cost of production, add opening finished goods. Now the goods comes out of the production. It is called opening finished goods. Less closing finished goods. Less closing finished goods. The result is called cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. So add administrative overhead. Add administrative overhead. Add administrative overhead. Administrative overhead. General. So if there is general, before that it's related to production, it is general. Similarly, add marketing overhead, market related expenses, marketing overhead, add selling and S&Ds, distribution overhead, selling and distribution overhead, you will be getting cost of sale, you will be getting cost of sale. After cost of sale, just add profit, you will be getting sale, So cost of sale plus profit, you will be getting sale. That's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Style Digitech and press the bell icon to see new videos.